Hello guys, and this is just a problem I've had in like my last three controllers. It's like even on this one, as you can see, it's like charges, then like turns off. Like I'm pressing it and like nothing works. So even when I try charging it, like on my, let me hold it real quick. Yeah, you see, I'm trying to charge it on this. It's literally not. This was literally working 10 minutes ago. What happened is it started to vibrate, then it just stopped working. I was playing Battlefield 4, it started to vibrate, then just stopped working. Even on the official PS4 charger, it does not work either. It just does the same thing. Like it starts to. What happens is I'm playing, my controller starts to vibrate. I've tried resetting it. Please don't use that. Then it just does not work anymore. Can you guys please tell me what I can do? Because this isn't even my controller, and like it seems like I'm breaking people's controllers. Like my other two have also just stopped working, no matter what I've tried. I've tried taking it apart. There's nothing wrong with the controller. They all look perfect. They just start to vibrate, then they just will not turn on. This is a major issue that's happened to around four of my controllers now. Seems like I'm literally the only person who has this problem. Can somebody please tell me what I'm doing wrong? I'm not raging or doing anything. My controllers are in perfect. They're intact. I tried charging it with this, where you plug it into the controller, then put it in right there. Cause I even bothered to see just to know it doesn't work on anything. I tried charging it on my computer right there. Nothing works. Can you guys please tell me what's happening? Thank you. Bye.